are just about as close to 50% as you can get. Look at this, 49.9%. The WRL data trackers estimate we need 1.3 million adults to go get their first dose to get us over the line. As we wait for federal approval to start vaccinating children, researchers at UNC are wasting no time with the Novavax vaccine. They begin enrolling children tomorrow. WRL's Leslie Moreno is live in Chapel Hill after speaking with researchers about the process and concerns some parents might have. Leslie?
Deborah, Novavax is looking for children between the ages of 12 and 17 for its vaccine trial here at UNC. I spoke to Dr. Michelle Hernandez. She says enrollment doesn't open up until tomorrow, and already they've received dozens of emails from parents interested in this trial. Starting tomorrow, families will have the option of enrolling their children in the Novavax vaccine trial at UNC. While some parents are eager to sign up, others like Chris Smith, who has a 16-year-old son, want to wait a little longer.
Well, I got the Johnson & Johnson vaccine about 3 weeks ago, the week that they banned it. That thing threw me for a loop. I mean, the next day I had to go home early from work. So, yeah, I mean, there are definitely side effects.
After his own experience with side effects, he wants to do some homework before enrolling his son in a trial.
Well, obviously side effects, I think, would be the biggest thing. And, you know, how long the trial's been, people have been participating in that trial. Obviously, you got to build a ground level of data, and I wouldn't want to be at the forefront of that.
Dr. Michelle Hernandez at UNC says the Novavax trial for adolescents is a placebo-controlled trial where 2 of 3 participants will receive the vaccine and 1 in 3 will receive placebo. As far as side effects, she says headaches and fatigue are common. The vaccine is protein-based and, unlike Moderna and Pfizer, would not have to be stored in ultra-cold freezers.
We can distribute this globally and also just to more remote and rural communities because it doesn't require as much handling with freezing.
I also reached out to Dr. Nicole Swiner with Wake Med. Their Novavax trial has been enrolling children all week. She tells me she's confident enough in the trial and believes it's necessary if we want some sense of normalcy.
Mine are under the age that are being accepted at this point, so, you know, I wouldn't have a choice. But, you know, I would. Mine were age 12 to 17, and I read the guidelines and knew what was happening with the study, and I was able to be involved as their guardian and kind of follow what was happening. I think I would.
UNC is hoping to see at least 100 participants of all backgrounds. If you're interested, head over to WRL.com to see if your child is eligible. Deborah?
We'll be following this step.